Well, we're back at Uncle Keith's paint shop, and as you can see, a red FN2. It's already somewhat disassembled. What's going on here then, lads? Let's start the video at the beginning, shall we?
At the start?
At the start.
Yeah, let's do that.
So, red FN2, and I believe it's having a colour change.
Well, that's the plan, isn't it?
That's the plan.
Yeah.
It's all disassembled.
It's a little bit different with this one, isn't it?
Yeah, just do something a little bit different, so we'll...
I think we'll let that
we'll keep people... We'll let that pan out as it...
All right, well, continue to watch the video and let's find out what's going on, because I don't know what's going on, but these guys do. Right, back in the paint shop, here's our Keith. This FN2 looks like it's getting all scotched up.
What a difference 6 hours, mate.
What a difference indeed, mate, indeed.
Well, oh, no, 7 hours. About 8 o'clock we were looking at it, weren't it? It's now 3. We made a good hole in that, I think.
Yeah, so...
We've got to try and get some drama on.
Made some repairs?
Yeah, the roof was really bad. And someone had aerosoled it, which made it even worse, but that's why...
This is irrelevant because Uncle Keith had put a beautiful shine upon it. But yes, so it looks like a lot's already got into it, fully stripped down and started scotching it up, done some repairs. I'm looking forward to this, you know, because I know what colour this is going now.
See the colour?
Yeah, go on,
Because
mate.
they'll know the colour, because they'll be able to see what the colour is, won't they?
What? Because the thumbnail of this video.
Yeah, because it'll already be in the
Yeah,
video.
of course. Come on then. Where are we going? In here.
Have a guess what you think that is.
Spoon blue?
You might be right.
Yes. Oh, that's going to look amazing. That's a big pot.
Good, 'cause
A big pot of paint.
By now, in the video, we'll know, but we don't know now because we've not done it yet.
Yeah, we don't know what it's going to look like, I suppose.
Well, we'll know. When the video's out, we'll know.
We'll know how happy we were.
Yeah.
I take it you got to do this sort of thing with all of this and the.
Yeah.
Are there many repairs to do on these parts?
The bonnet's a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
I think everything else is okay. So the usual stuff, some bits underneath.
Well, it'll look mint after. So.
We'll concentrate on one thing first. So we concentrate on the car and get the car done.
Sure. Well, I look forward to popping back. So tomorrow will be day 2.
Yeah.
All right. See you in a bit.
See me about 8 o'clock. See if what's happening.
All right, mate. No, that's a brush.
You've never seen me painting.
Not with that. No, I've not. You're right.
Brush.
Day 3.
Yeah.
Where are we at?
This is a little bit different. Look.
What's a little different? Oh, we're painting the door shuts. Very nice. Very sexy, very clean. You're excited for this one, aren't you? Because you like the colour.
A little bit different, isn't it? Something a little bit different.
Yeah.
And obviously, normally when we do one, we just do the outside, don't we? We don't do in the
We've been
shuts.
doing a lot of liquid wraps, haven't
Yeah.
we, to keep the cost down for customers.
Yeah.
But this one is a full respray.
Yeah. It's a technical exercise as well, isn't it? I think.
Yeah. Well, it's gorgeous. It's going to be gorgeous. And how much work's going into it. So.
I'm hoping to get it mashed up today, and then get some colour on in the morning.
Get some colour on it. Get some primer on it.
And have a clean yeah, we'll get it all one colour. We'll run through it when we're doing it.
Yeah, of course we will.
We'll wet on wet prime it so it gets all uniform, all one colour of base grey, dark grey.
Yeah.
Whatever colour we pick. Because really, you don't want to go over red, grey, red,
Sure.
red. Because you might end up with different
shades.
You want all uniform, and then you can just do 2 coats of the colour done. Yeah, so it's better to go over uniform.
Excellent. All right. Well, we'll see you on day 4, which will be next. Well, it's definitely a uniform colour. Let's have a walk round. I'd be happy with that, mate.
Yeah, you've got to get it all uniform first. As you might have little patches and little different coloured bits and whatever. So, obviously, the best thing to do is like what we've done.
Yeah, all one colour first.
Get it all uniform.
It looks lovely already. Yeah, I'd be happy with that. I'll take it. I'll take it. Well, it's like, hi Rich. I'm just looking at this Battleship Grey FN2. I like it. Can we leave it like that? Oh, it's lovely. So what day are we on? 4?
No, I think 3 really. 3. It was here Tuesday, but we've just painted a few bits on it in the afternoon.
Tuesday, didn't we?
So really, we've had Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. This is Friday. So I don't think we've done too bad. Like, this is the 3rd day he's in the booth. Obviously, there's the buzz. See what you do. You've got to start with something, and then it's jumping.
Yeah. Well, I'll come and find you when you're sticking a bit of colour on it or something.
Yeah.
All right, mate.
We'll talk about it.
Excited. That's looking very blue, Keith.
Well, done in the shuts. We're going to shut the door and then obviously do the outside. So we've done in the shuts of the boot lid as well, not been down the.
Fantastic. All right, I'm looking forward to seeing some on the outside.
Shut that.
What colour? I hope you like blue. Yeah. Wowzer. Well, these are all a uniform colour. God, there's a lot of bits in there on an FN2.
That's the tricky bit with an FN2, all the slats, the silk skirts.
There's a lot of bits in there.
Obviously most cars have got a bonnet and bumpers in there.
Yeah.
But the FN2's got silk skirts, spats, like mirror caps with green and black, whatever, spoiler off the car.
Yeah.
And if we broke the bumpers apart, the bumpers are in two parts, but we're leaving them together just because for ease. But if need be, we can take them apart, don't we? But
Yeah, you could.
this one didn't need it.
Right. Bit of that in the gun.
Stick a bit on the bonnet.
Hit it. People love this bit. It's like an easel. Woo!
Yeah.
How many coats does that get?
I'll get 2 coats.
2 coats. Well, I can't remember. Bit more tricky that side. Oh, that looks lovely, mate. Lovely. Right, well, I know you're going to paint all of these, but I'll come back when we're reassembling.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool.
See you in a bit. Well, that is one beautiful FN2 that our Keith has completed. The sun is shining, so I think we'll be able to walk around and get you a bit of a... Oh, it's bright. Look at that. Still titivated. You happy with it? Very nice. It suits it so much, this colour, doesn't it? You won't see many of them in that colour. Well, maybe you will after we've done this video, but that's... oh, yeah. That's great.
Some say they love it, some say they love
Oh, obviously. Wheels have gone grey, I noticed. Wheels gone grey. Car's very blue.
This is not Nardo grey.
Nardo grey is a very particular choice in colour, isn't it? But I don't think anyone can deny that that's one colour for an FN2 that suits it. Yeah, it's absolutely lovely. Well, another one in the bag. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. And we'll see you on the next one. it.